We have the living area, which is gorgeous. Kitchenette area is the most gorgeous. It is the most gorgeous space. It's very. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I'm Mandita Jagdish today at the Life by the Lake, which is located at Yelahanka, with a sample flat tour. Well, we'll get to know a lot more in detail about this project. But before that, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate business which connects home buyer and developer directly, giving you a bottom price rate. Unlike other current listing apps, if you do an inquiry, your number is shared to different brokers, which results in lot of calls. But in Housey, listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream house by the developer through Housey. Now this is Life by the Lake by Kia Homes. Land parcel is 2.6 acres and the number of towers is 10. Story is ground plus 3 floors, location near Jakkur, Yelahanka, and variance is 4 and 5 BHK. Now, connectivity Jakkur from Hebbal. Airport 7 kilometers, schools within 10 kilometers, malls in radius of 5 kilometers, hospital in radius of 5 kilometers, and metro in radius of 1 kilometer. Amenities: fish pond, pergola, private garden, golf, and also 50 plus amenities. So guys, now we are standing outside the 4 BHK Life by the Lake by Kia Apartments. Come on, let's go and look at it. Now, like you move in, you can see this gorgeous mirror space, and there is a lot of space for your shoe racks and cupboards, which you can store your shoes, your other footwear, and etc. Now, coming in, we have this oil area where you can sit for again your footwear space, etc. etc. Now, from here, if we move on, we have right in front, we have the living area, which is gorgeous. I mean, the lighting, the space, it's a decent amount of space. It's exactly opposite to the TV space. They have these wooden touching for your TV look, and now opposite to that, you have this couching, which is very spacious, very decent amount of, people can sit in and spend some time, right? Now, moving on to this gorgeous view of the house, that is the balcony. Like you guys enter, you have this wooden flooring, which is anti-skid floor. Now, moving on, you have this grass match. It's a decent amount of space, very spacious. It is very bright, and there's a direct daylight hitting you in this spot. It's very, very gorgeous, guys. Trust me, it's doing 100% justice to the space, to the floor that they've given here. You can see a very good view from here, and also it's a very good space to chill, spend some time, relax. Now come on, let me take you to the most important part of the house. I mean, every woman can relate to this because we all love our kitchens, don't we? So now, I'll be taking you to the kitchenette area of the house. Now, moving in, before kitchenette area, we have this very beautiful space for our dining hall, that easily go to 5 to 6 people can easily fit in here. It's a decent amount of space, very gorgeous. It's going with the living room, the hall area, and the dining hall. Now come on, let me take you to the kitchenette area. Kitchenette area is the most gorgeous part of the house. I mean, every lady spends their time here. So we have this gorgeous a beautiful space in cabinets here to store all your kitchen stuff. And moving on, we have this very nice detailing, coloring that they've given to make it look more elegant, simple, and also classic, must say. They also have these tails, which is doing 100% justice to the look. It is divided into 2 parts again. Now moving on to the utility area. Utility area is also very spacious, guys. They've given you cabinets here as well, and also you have this extra space to store in all the stuffs or any kitchen related work. Now moving on to the main room, they've giving you main room here, which is again very spacious, must say. Easily a person can fit in here, and it's a gorgeous space, I must say again. It's very spacious, very decent. And they also have one bathroom for this, and also they have cupboards to fit in stuff. Now, moving on to the most, I think the most excited area, that is our bedrooms. We all love our individual space. So I think we all need our individual space, that is our rooms, to be gorgeous. Trust me, I'm telling you, you guys will be mesmerized by the rooms they've got. Now, I'll take you to room number 1, that is this room. I mean, look at this. It's the most classic detailing room I've ever seen. It has beautiful, antiques. They have this beautiful, gorgeous space for your study table, and beside that you have this table to store stuff. You also have lamp spacing here, and moving on, you have lamp spacing here as well. And this is easily bed space which they've got. And moving on, they have this gorgeous space here, yet to store things. Now, moving on to the second room of the house. Starting, you have this bathroom which is given here. They have, firstly, this is anti-skid floor. Now they have all high-end sanitary. They also have this mirror spacing thing, and also it's divided into 2 sections, right, to give you more spacious, comfortable, character. Now, moving on to the room, must say they have this cupboards here. It's divided into 2 cupboards. Mirror, in the middle you have this mirror, and also which can also be called as powder space. Now, moving on to the cupboard size, like you guys can see, it is very spacious. Like I showed you in the last room, they have these many sections to store your stuffs. Now again, they have these powder space, and now look at this, the space for your bed. It's very spacious, must say. They have these gorgeous space there, right there for your lamp and any other stuff. Right opposite to that, they have the scout space where you can sit, chill, spend some time, and relax with yourself. Now, coming to the detailing of the room, they have gorgeous walls around, and also they have wooden flooring which is featuring a lot to the room, which is giving you extra finishing to the room. Now, moving on to the best part, that is the balcony view of the room. Now again, when you come in, you have these anti-skid floors, which is wooden flooring, again giving you extra beautiful look for the room, for the balcony. They have this amazing view, almost the whole apartment 360-degree view is seen from here. They have very natural light escaped here. I mean, yes, this is very spacious and beautiful, must say. Now, come on, let me take you to the room number 3 from the house. Like I said, I mean, you guys have seen most of the sections of the house, right? I must ask you guys, I don't know which part of the house you like the most. I mean, let me know in the comment section which part of the house you like the most after the whole tour, because your feedback is very, very much valuable to us. So now, we also have this space to, I don't want to call this a puja room, but a very beautiful space for devotion, a very positive energy, right? Now, moving on to room number 3, that is this room. Like you guys can see, it has very classic, beautiful, elegant, very corporate vibes, which is giving you a lot of, detailing. They also have this gorgeous view, very big window. It is very natural lighted place, must say. They also have this restroom, which is anti-skid floor again, high in sanitary, and it's divided into 2 sections. Right? Now, moving on to the study table part. It is very spacious, and again exactly opposite to that you have this study table. It has a lot of racks, a lot of space to store in your things. Now come on, I'll take you to the most beautiful part again, into the master bedroom of the house. But before that, let me tell you what does Housey actually does for us. So in Housey, we give you sample flat tours. In Housey, we give you actual location tours. Also, we tell you all the pros and cons of the project. And also, we give you inclusive pricing, which includes EMI and down payment details. And now, we give you 360-degree virtual project tour also. After all this, if you still like the project, by just 3 simple clicks, you can book your free site visit. Now, all you have to do is just click on the link in the description that is mentioned below, right? Now come on, let me take you to the master bedroom of the home. Like you guys can see, it is the most gorgeous space. It's very spacing. They also have right beside the bed, they have these couching space as well, which has wooden touch, which is giving you extra beautiful look. They also have this beautiful space that is study table. I mean, any of your study works, office works can be done up now. Opposite to that, we have the restroom, which is again anti-skid floor, high-end sanitary, and they have this beautiful basin space to the mirror, and also it's divided into 2 sections again. Like I said, this is very spacious, very beautiful. It has classy, elegant look. It's given you the most beautiful, classy, high-end and also old-end fashion look. Now, let me take you to the terrace of the house. I must say again, I forgot to mention this. This is a duplex space which has covered 4 rooms in the bottom, and also they have a terrace in the upper area. Come on, let me take you to the terrace part. Now again, this is the terrace part. You can enter the terrace right in here, and yeah, this is how the spacing is done in your duplex area. All your 4 rooms has been placed in the ground floor, and also they've given you every finishing beautiful touch to all the rooms, the living area, the kitchenette and whatnot. I mean, anybody would definitely want to live in here, right? Now, if you guys like this project, don't forget to go register yourselves in housey.com. Also, if you want to download e-brochure of this project, then click on the link given in the description. And also, if you guys have any negative, positive feedback on this project, feel free to comment in the comment section so we get to know the strengths and weakness of this project. And also, before anything, don't forget to subscribe Housey to get in more details and updates, right? Till then, see you, take care.
Hello everyone, this was the 4 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Light by the Lake located in Yelahanka by Kia Groups.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.